Look at that.
Again.
Yeah. What we got going on here?
Vlogging?
I mean, there's a giant pig on the table. I think I have to. Say something. Okay, you're gonna get something. We got pancit. Man.
Okay, when we start eating, I'll light these candles.
I made palabok.
You made palabok. What
I
else?
made the lumpia.
Lumpia.
I made
Let's see.
Mickey.
Mickey. Okay. All right.
And laing.
Oh, you made lying. What is this?
This is classic. I think pozole.
Oh, pozole. Oh, man. Take a peek here. It's not Filipino, but that looks like a seafood stew. Got some chicken teriyaki. Got some meatballs. Charcuterie board. She's gonna open this giant lechon right now. Oh my goodness. Woo-wee. Oh. Man, Latin.
Yummy.
It just keeps going. Oh, bokeh. Wow. Man, lots of food.
Dude, get away. Move.
Come on.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it? Hey. Gonna start eating soon here in Stockton. Family Christmas party. It's a nice horse.
Like a Mexican hat.
Oh, look at, oh, that's cool. Look at that Mexican hat.
Sorry.
Yeah. Vietnamese street food, huh? Yeah, the shrimp one. I've had this before. Hey, what's going on here?
Packs.
Packs of what? Pokemon cards?
Pokemon. Cards. Original cards. Why not? Oh, good.
Flex it. Flex it. Are those the best ones?
I just got it right now. Oh.
This is all cards here?
Yeah, all cards.
Wow. It's all ready now.
That's good for this one. Yeah. I'll make a later for them.
Sushi bake. Man.
It's an Asian drink.
Asian drink. Lychee.
It's lychee mango rum.
Hey, what's up, Ari?
Hey, what's up? Yeah, it's gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, probably.
Alright, here you go. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Cheers, Auntie.
Cheers. Oh, she's taking a picture. I'm just doing it.
Look here.
What is that? It's just a costume.
From the 19th.
Refreshing.
Where'd you go? Here, Mom. Here, hold this.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
There you go. Yeah. Thank you.
Matakaw yan pa.
Oh, sure. Thank you. I want to see chop it up too, though. Man. Yeah.
I think the
Look
sweet
at
sour,
that.
huh?
Thank you. This place full.
This one's shrimp. Yeah.
Fully loaded plate, man. All right, Lechon, here we go. I gotta take this bite here. It looks nice and crispy and juicy. And... Oh,
Hands, girl.
fatty, crispy, delicious.
We gotta eat your pancit first, right?
I don't think there's any mang tomas, but that is really juicy. I think there's a pancit that I picked up. I'm gonna have this piece of rice on top, but I'm actually gonna lay this rice right over here for a minute. Okay. Here we go. Pancit. Oh, that's some good pancit right there. This is a pretty iconic Filipino noodle dish. That is, yeah, the pancit. She said it. Yummy. I have palabok. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this palabok with some calamansi. Pour some calamansi on that. There we go. Giant bite of palabok with the prawn. barbecue is so good. It's not like the thick noodle that I'm used to, but I actually like this type of noodle as well. That's got to be a combination. Palavok and lechon. Let's go ahead and go for that lumpia now. All right. Pork lumpia, mixed vegetables inside. It's been sitting for a little bit, so it's not as hot and crispy. But again, it's still iconic and delicious. Get the laing right here. This guy, my plate's too full. Thank you. Oh, the coconutty taro leaves. Oh man, a little spice too. That's yummy. I think this will pair nicely with the rice. Let's do it. Chase this with rice. Got this sushi bake here. Oh man. There is a poke that they brought as well too. Look at that poke. Tuna. Oh. Something about raw fish. Oh, a little bit of seaweed. A little bit of wasabi. Sesame. Onions. Oh, that yummy poke. That yummy tuna. I don't know what this is called. It's a Vietnamese street food snack. With the shrimp inside, translucent as well. Almost, we're almost there. Got it. Got it. Thank you. It's a Vietnamese street food snack. Hey, what was this called again? The Vietnamese snack.
Bun Bat Luck.
Bun Balak?
Bun Bat Luck.
Oh, okay. It's glutinous, sticky. There's like shrimp inside. I think I finished most of everything here. Oh, Rachel, what is this called again? With the wrap. The wrap.
That's spring roll. Pork spring roll.
The pork spring roll?
I don't know what to say.
That's fine. Pork spring roll. Oh. Pork, the vegetables, another Vietnamese snack, comfort snack, yummy. All right, there's so much food to go. I love to show you everything, but just gonna hang out with the family, enjoy the time. Sandra, thanks for chopping the lechon.
Yep, no problem.
Thank you,
Your thoughts?
Peace out. Thanks for watching. Chinese people, high five, everybody. And the Filipinos too.